Hey everybody, it's Charlie with Russ Darrow Kia Waukesha here again, and it is Drive Electric Week. So I briefly wanted to talk to you guys about Kia's lineup, the electric vehicles, and the numerous benefits around right now for owning or getting an electric vehicle. And the first thing that comes to mind is the massive amount of rebates on the electric vehicles that Kia is offering right now. Specifically, let's talk about the EV9. There are numerous rebates on the EV9 that could total up to over $10,000 that are applied directly to your purchase for you. So if you get a 3 or a 4-year lease on an EV9, imagine how much that's lowering your monthly payment. On top of the federal tax credits, up to $7,500 on used EV vehicles and up to $4,000 on any of the used EV vehicles, that's saving you even more money there. And on top of that being the way of the future, there's more and more infrastructure that is being put in place to support electric vehicles. You're saving on gas money as well. And also you're lowering your own personal carbon footprint. So there's so many reasons why driving an EV vehicle nowadays is becoming a no-brainer. We got the EV9, the EV6, and the fully electric Nero here at Kia. So if you would like to set up an appointment to take a look at any of the Kia vehicles in general, any of the electric vehicles, please contact us here at 262-444-5445. Just ask for sales. Otherwise, take care. Happy fall. We'll see you guys soon.